Alright, welcome back to another Big Pulls Down Under, and we have a 2022 Footy Stars Box Break today. Hoping to find one of those Spectrums. Apart from that, I think if you've opened this product, seen my videos before, you know what we're looking at, so let's just get straight into it. Alright, let's get into it. Let's get some good luck. I've had some pretty good luck with the Stars lately. I really have. So, I can't complain if it's not a good box. Alright, we've got Selwood, Smith, Harrington. We've got our first game breaker. We have Orazio Fantasia. Very nice. Put him down there. Okay, Zach Tui, Dyson Heppel, Liam Jones, Lamb, and we have our first purple for today, Ben McKay. Down you go. Oh, goddamn. Alright, we've got Kane Lambert, Sam Walsh, Dane Zorko, Nick Cox, and we've got a milestone, first milestone for the box. And we have Darcy Parish, 100 game milestone, very good. Alright, we got Lewis, Daniel, Duncan, Golden, and we have another game breaker of Liam Ryan. I don't know if I've had that one before actually. It's not bad. Good start. Alright, Nika Nakanui. We've got McAdam, McCluggage, Rowan, and a Max King purple. We've got Jack Rewalt, Jack Darling, Zach Bailey, Tipper, and we've got Jaden Stevenson, Burst. Look at the ears on him. Okay, we've got Marinoff, Hawkins, Liberatore, Cochin, and we've got Hugh Greenwood. Oh dear. You gotta love these pictures. Some of them you really got to put effort into open. Zach Tui, Dyson Heppel, Liam Jones, Lamb, and another game breaker. Who we got here? What's his name? Brian Myers. Huh. Okay, Prospectus, Claw, Rampy, Veloston, and we've got Tom Hickey in the burst. Luke Shuey, Huntington, Savani, Rich, and Jeremy Cameron in the Starburst. Tim Kelly, Jared Lyons, McDonald. Ooh, here we go. Daylight numbers. Who we got there? Kyle Hartigan, Number 28 for the Hawks. Very cool. What number's that? 149. There we go. Haven't had that one before. Very good. And then we've got Stephen May in the purple. And then we've got base. Right, we've got Andrew Gaff, Anderson, English, Guthrie. Oh, we've got it classified for the Hawks. Alright. Tom Mitchell, classified, Hawks. Number 27. 173 of 270. Very nice cards. I like that little holographic ball effect that's got going in there. Don't know if you can see that on the camera very well. Put him over there. Alright, Rory Sloane, Lockie Neal, Tom Lynch, Morrison. Ooh! Brownlow Predictor, Lockie Whitfield. Very nice. The Giants would have to play a lot better for him to be a chance, but still, it's a nice card to hit. Alright. What do we got? It is number 102 of 185. A very nice looking card, very clean. Alright, you can sit there up against Pendles. And then we've got Game Breakers. And that is Dan Butler. Alright, a couple of good hits there. Not bad at all. Still looking for that Coleman Medal Predictor though. That's what I want to see. Even, I don't care if it's a good team or not, I just want to hit one. Prestia, Walker, Esquiel, Florent, and Braden Maynard in the purple. Very nice. Alright, O'Brien, Bolton, Redmond, Papley, McKay 30th anniversary. Swanson, Stewart, Doherty, Doherty, McInerney in the purple. Very nice. Very clean card, aren't they? We got Laird, we got Bates, Parrish, Sard, and we got Lockie Hunter in the purple for the Bulldogs. Harry McKay, Rowe, McInerney, Mills, and we got Jake Lloyd for the Swans in the purple. Alright, Prospectus, Trelaw, Rampy, Veloston, instant win, boo, instant second chance. Ah, dear. Alright, Nick Natanui, McAdam, McCluggage, Rowan, and we have Caleb Sarong with his tennis headband on in the Starburst. Alright, we've got Jake Lloyd, McCarthy, Smith, Wiedering, Hunter 30th anniversary. Cameron, Kennedy, Merritt, Mackenzie, and we've got Perkins in the purple. Jack Graham, Phillips, Robinson. Oh, we've got an Arctic Blue Fracture. And it is, how do you say it? Changhuth? Giarth? My apologies if I've said that and absolutely butchered your name, mate. Very sorry. Very nice. That's a nice card. And then we've got Nat Fife in the purple, also a very nice card. Oh, butchered it on your day. Cameron, McGrath, Conti, Sheed, and we've got a milestone, 150 game milestone, Taylor Duray. We got Dusty, Blackburn, Stringer, Andrews, and we got Conti in the purple. Oh, Jesus. Alright, we got Keys, the Danger Man, McGovern, Martin, and another milestone. Who is that? Jack Steele. Just can't quite read it in the light. There we go. Mark Blixarves, Hind, Brennan, Butler, Charlie Dixon in the purple. Very nice. Jack McRae, Rory Sloan, Lockie Neal, Tom Lynch, and we've got a Kane Lambert in the 30th anniversary. Alright, Nina Morrison, Zach Williams, The Bont, Shannon Hearn, and we've got Game Breaker. We've got Daniel McStay for the Lions. Very nice. Alright, we've got Adam Sard, Jack Graham, Aaron Phillips, Mitch Robinson, and Paul Seedsman in the Starburst. Another face on that. Alright, Josh Kennedy, Zach Merritt, Mackenzie, McRae, and we have a 150 milestone for Reece Stanley for Geelong. Very nice. Alright, final few packets. Liam Ryan, Isaac Heaney, Scholl, McDonald, And James Rowe for Adelaide in the purple. Okay, we've got Lutkins, Norton, Edwards, Shield, and we've got Gamebreaker. And we have Isaac Rankin. Very nice. Alright, final 3 packs. Luke Parker. We got Randell, Cripps, Bruce, and we got Josh Kennedy. Yep, sorry, I went a bit blurry there. Josh Kennedy in the Starburst. Alright, second last. Alright, we've got Buddy. We've got Bates, we've got Laird, we've got Parrish, and we've got Liam Jones in the Starburst. Very nice. Alright, lucky last pack mojo. Can we hit it? Can we hit anything? Actually, it's been a little bit lean, this box, but that's alright. We've still got some good cards out of it. Zach Williams, The Bont, Hearn, the Budster, and it's a burst. Josh Kelly burst. With pointy elf ears and a pointy nose. Rightio, quick recap. Now, sorry bro, I cannot say your name. So, but it's a nice card. Very nice. We've got Kyle Hartigan, number 28, daylight numbers. They're a very nice card, I like them. Then we've got Tom Mitchell in the classified, also a very nice card, love the pattern. And we've got Lockie Whitfield in the Brownlow Predictor. Very nice. So yeah, so that's it for the Footy Stars 22 box break. If you enjoyed that, please leave the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for watching.